Hey guys, I'm back today with this really pretty makeup look. I'm going to start off with this Milani Prime Shield to go ahead and prime my entire face. Now I'm going to take this Colourpop pencil. It's in black brown and I'm going to do my eyebrows. I always use this pencil and I love it. I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee and clean up my eyebrows, you guys. I like natural eyebrows and a natural highlight for my eyebrows, so that's what you guys are going to see me do in most of my makeup tutorials. I'm going to take this jumbo pencil here by NYX. It is in yogurt. I like this pencil so far for my base for my eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with this fluffy brush just to make everything look seamless. I'm going to be taking all of my colors, you guys, from this Mirage palette. I actually got this palette from BH Cosmetics, and the first colors I'm going to be using is that orange color. The next color I'm going to use is like a peachy orange color, and I'm going to go over that other orange color with the peachy orange color. The next color I'm going to use is this chocolate brown color, and this is going to go on my lid. I'm going to mix these two next colors together. It is going to be a matte dark orange and a shimmery light coral color, and I'm going to mix those two together for my highlight for my brow. What I'm going to do now is take this Milani 17-hour liquid eyeliner wear, and I'm going to line my eyebrows, you guys. I am loving this eyeliner so far. It's been the only one that I've been using for a while now. Now I'm going to take this NYC black eyeliner pencil and line my bottom line. You guys know most of the time I use the brown instead of the black, because of the harshness of the black. What I'm gonna go do now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this other chocolate kind of color and line my bottom waterline and lash line with it. It is kind of the same color as the lid color, but not really. Today I am going to be mixing my mascaras. I'm going to use the Maybelline New York, the Falsies, and this is a waterproof mascara and lash lift. And I'm also going to be using the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber that has two types of mascara, and this is from, I believe this one is from L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to go in now with the second coat, and the second coat one is going to be the Maybelline New York, the Falsies mascara. I'm going to go over the first one with that one. I'm going to go ahead and line my bottom lashes, and then I'll be back with my foundation. My foundation that I'm going to be using is the Milani 2-in-1 Perfect Concealer, and this one is in at 10. I am going to go back and get a different color, you guys, because this one still doesn't quite match me. So, but I'm going to make it work in the end. You guys will see. What I'm gonna do now, you guys, I'm gonna take my LA Pro Girl concealer in Fawn, and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face with this. I'm gonna take this black Radiance contour that I have. I've had it for a while, and I'm just gonna contour my face with it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Airspun translucent powder, you guys, that I got from Amazon. The one that I have, though, the one that I'm using is called Suntan. I also have the translucent one, but the one I'm using today is the Suntan one. I'm gonna see which one I like better, and then I'll let you guys know. The links to all of these things will be down in the bottom bar. I'm gonna take this Laura Mercier translucent face powder, you guys, and put it all over my face. Now, I was not trying to do this, so I did it by mistake, to be very honest, because this one will leave a white cast over my skin if I use it that way all over my skin. Normally, I just use the translucent medium deep by Laura Mercier to set my entire face, but you guys are gonna see it'll work out. I'm going to go in with my Jordana blush, and this one is called Tera Cotta. It's a very nice coral looking blush that looks very beautiful on dark skin. I'm just going to go ahead and take this lip pencil in Cork by MAC and this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. It is in Abu Dhabi, and I'm going to use this for my lips. Okay, guys, I'm going to take this Milani Make It Last Matte Finishing Spray, spray my face, and I'll be back with my final results. Alright you guys, this is the final look. A tutorial for this wig will be in the bottom bar. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I love all of you. Bye!